now. Start.
Yes, now we can see in India there are many pollution like sound pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. I'm going to talk about them. So there is a water pollution. Water pollution occurs just because of a chemical of the factory which located at the near the river, and it is very harmful just because there are many chemicals they throw in the rivers, and the same water we use for our daily lives. And also the sound pollution and also air pollution occurs just because of vehicles, air, and festival. We Indians are celebrating festival very well, so we celebrate by firing firecrackers. So firecrackers is very harmful for us, so we should stop that. We should stop that, and we can enjoy that.
Next.
Hi, I'm Pranali. I'm going to talking about pollution
Speak loudly.
and sound pollution is one of the major factor of pollution. Sound pollution is due to the sound when it going beyond the audible limit. The causes of sound pollution is vehicle sounds, and when we are celebrating festivals we use loud sound system. That's why the sound pollution causes. And the if if the sound goes beyond audible limit, it may be harmful to older people.
Next.
And
They both are said about the pollutions. Means there are some
loudly.
if there are some restrictions on the companies and some vehicles, then it will be get in control. Politics is also another subject of our India. Indian government based on the democratic republic, and there are two houses, upper house and lower house. Upper house is known as Rajya Sabha and lower house is known as Lok Sabha. In upper house, whichever who are the leaders, they are represent their states, and in Lok Sabha, the leaders are represent whole India. And the means now there is a BJP government, and they they did so many things and good things in our country, for our country. The foreign countries also invested so many money in our country, and there are some bad reasons in our politics. Means some leaders did corruptions and all other things, and it is very harmful to our nation. But Modi government took one step to release that corruption, that is demonetization, and that's all.
Next.
Okay, my subject is on education. In village, before some days, we saw that there was no education for that those child, because but nowadays that picture has changed. The facilities has available in village, but because of money's problem, the farmers don't send their child to the school. And in cities village, here are all facilities are available, but some for some students there are more fees, and for some students there are less fees. There is no balanced education for all, and because of their teenage, they waste their life by wandering here and there, and waste their life by doing another work. But we have to change our that picture by doing road drama, and we must say to them what is the importance of education. And because of some politics, there is no good education for all, because there are some private colleges, there are some government colleges, and in private colleges there are so much fees for students, and all parents think that our student will get or our student will have to get good education in good college, so they send their child to private college. And give more fees to their college, and some students go to government college. That's why there is no balanced education in our India. But I would like to say that we have to balance that picture equally, because there is need and it is too much important. Education is too much important in our life, and without of education we can't lead our India very well.
Next.
Okay, so my topic is
Infrastructure.
Last 2
infrastructure
minutes.
of India. So there are some problem of infrastructure like in Pune. So whenever we go in Pune, there are some road damages, and in India there are 2 lakh accident happen in daily routine. So we have to I request to minister to make the road. That's it.